Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank login error. If you are facing login error issues, don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple and easy step to fix the problem. Just follow each step carefully. The first step is check your internet connection and make sure your internet is working. Turn your Wi-Fi off and then on again. Or you also can do switch to mobile data and try opening any website to test internet. If internet is not working, the app will not work properly. And the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. And the another step is check your username and password. Make sure your email or username is correct. Check your password carefully. Turn off cap locks and try typing slowly. Sometimes wrong details are the most common reason for the login error. The other step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Open Play Store or App Store. Search for the app Tap on update option if update option available. Sometimes old version may not work properly. The another step is check your server status. Sometimes the problem is not from your side. App server may be down. Wait for some time and try again. Many users also may face the same issues. And the another step is clear app cache. Go to your phone setting, then go to app management or apps, then click on apps or app list, then search for the looking app, go to the storage and cache, then click on clear cache. After doing all of it, if this not working, then the last step is reinstall your app and restart your phone. Then go to the Play Store or App Store and reinstall your app. Then go to your App Store, Play Store, install the app. If none of this helps, then you also contact to the customer service of the app by going on help center and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. That's it. That's how you can fix your login error problem. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.